How to fix Instagram post quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram post quality on Android phone. First, open Instagram, go to your account, and then click these three lines here, click settings, and once you're here click account, and then scroll down until you find here cellular data use, and here we'll find data saver. Now click high resolution and make it cellular and Wi-Fi, and that's it. Now go back, and first you will find data saver like that. Enable it, go here and enable it. Just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, just come back here and disable it. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.